Welcome back to my channel. So for this week's Whatever Wednesday, I am going to be showing you how I do my own DIY nails. I've received a bunch of comments actually either complimenting my nails or how I get my nails the way that I do because I DIY all the time, and I figured I might as well share it with you all. Now, I will preface this saying that I'm not a nail technician. I am not in any way a beauty professional in any sense. So take everything I say with a grain of salt and try it for yourself, do your own research, but this is how I personally keep my nails looking the way they do. I like to wear fake nails because it makes me feel girly and pretty, and I mean, I just like that I'm covered in sawdust most of the time, and my hands are pretty beat up most of the time, so having pretty nails makes me feel a little bit better. So these nails are actually just glue-on fake nails. I have two different brands that I have been playing around with. I'll link all of the brands I use down below. One of the brands is from Amazon and the other brand is from Walmart. It's just your average Kiss nails. That's what this one is. This is the Kiss brand. I just wanted a different nail shape and I was at Walmart and they were there. So I'm just going to show you how I remove them, how I put them on, and how I paint them. And I think that basically covers everything. But without further ado, let me show you how I do it. Now to take them off, I pour 100% pure acetone into a glass dish and I soak my nails off. It's actually very bad for your nails to pop them off if you have them glued down. So soaking them off is way more gentle on your nails than popping them off. Now while they're soaking in the acetone, I use an orange stick and I gently scrape off the mush of a nail that forms in there because the acetone will eat at the nail as well as the glue. So I just use the orange stick to kind of just scrape off the mush. Now when you can't scrape anymore, there still might be some gunk on there, so I just soak a cotton ball in the acetone as well, and then I just rub it off. Now, an important step that I did not film personally because I don't like to do it every time is if this is your first time doing it, you're going to want to roughen up the surface of your nail just a little bit because if it's smooth, the glue will have nothing to adhere to. So what I do is I take a very fine grit nail file and I will just lightly go over the nail just to roughen up the texture. Just do it enough to roughen up the surface of your nail. I did not do it this time because my nails were already pretty rough from the week before, but if it's your first time, definitely do it. But I don't do it every time because I want to be as gentle to my natural nails as I can and I don't want to damage them too much. it's nothing fancy. I know that some people prefer different nail shapes. They sell all the different nail shapes on Amazon and as well as Walmart, and those are the two places that I have gone. But yeah, they're nothing fancy. I just really like having them. I have an issue where I can't wear nail polish. It either just peels off in a sheet or I just can't wait long enough for it to dry. And the paintbrush trick works wonders for me because I don't have to wait and I don't have to be careful. I'm not a very coordinated person, so bumping things with my hands is just a fact of life for me. So this is just a super easy way for me to be able to have pretty nails but not ruin them and get frustrated. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. I know it's a weird one. I'm not a beauty guru. I'm not a beauty guru, vlogger, or anything, so take this with a grain of salt. Also, I have nothing against real acrylic nails or gel nails. I have had both, but I am so hard on my nails that this was just the more economical choice for me. I hope you guys all have amazing weeks, and I'll see you guys on Saturday for another DIY video. Bye guys!